This is my absolute favorite cabbage recipe. We're going to start this one by adding half of a chopped cabbage into a bowl. We'll also need half of a chopped carrot, 2 garlic cloves that have been chopped, some parsley. Let's also add half a green bell pepper, 2 chopped chili peppers, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. We're also going to need half a cup of flour and half a cup of cornstarch, and give all of this a good mix very well. The tip for this recipe is to chop everything into really small pieces. And let's stir until we reach this texture here. Then just using your hands, let's take a small amount of that dough and make a ball about this size. This size is up to you. If you want to make them bigger or smaller, you can. Now that we've got our ball, we're going to set it aside and do that with the rest of our batter. We're now going to place the balls in a pan of hot oil to fry. Now be careful because this oil is really hot. After frying, remove the cabbage balls from the oil and just carefully set them aside on a plate like this. And let's finish frying all those balls. I'm now going to move on and saute 1 sliced onion in a pan. Let's also add some garlic and some green bell pepper. Season with some salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Stir and saute all those spices well. All right, now that is nice and sauteed, we're going to continue with the recipe by adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Delicious, I love ketchup. We'll also need 1 spoonful of mustard. And let's give everything a good mix together. This sauce is sensational. My mouth is already watering. After all of that's mixed, we're going to add a glass of water to a bowl, and we're just going to dissolve 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into that water. Give that a good stir, let all of that cornstarch dissolve, and then we're going to pour that mixture right into our pan. Give that a good stir, and we're going to cook this over medium heat. And we just want this sauce to start to thicken. Now that that's all stirred and cooked a bit, you can see our sauce is nice and thick. We are going to now add those fried cabbage balls from earlier and add them right into the pan. Let's give that a good stir. We want to cover those cabbage balls with our delicious sauce. This recipe is so good you don't even need meat. It's super easy and super quick to make. And just like that, our recipe is ready. Oh, it smells so wonderful and amazing. Shall we give it a taste? Serve it on a plate. Call your family over to enjoy it with you. They are going to love this one, I promise you. The taste of the sauce will surprise you. It's so good. I'm just going to garnish with some parsley and enjoy.